My fellow car care enthusiasts, today I'm going to teach you how to make another version of a summer screen wash for your car with a product that you already have in your lineup. And also, you don't have to use anything heavy, caustic on the windscreens that could cause obviously long-term damage. So we're slap bang in the middle of summer. The screen is peppered with roadkill, flies, bugs, all that type of stuff. Now, the usual thing is you will go and buy a traditional, recommended by manufacturer, screen wash. What happens is it's going to overspray, whether it comes down the sides eventually, but on the roof, etc. It starts to dry up because we are in the summer. It starts to stain. Now, heavy chemicals staying on your car for a prolonged period of times, a week, 2 weeks sometimes, is not very good. Now, I'm here to fix it, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So Nick, what exactly are you talking about? Well, what I brought with me is a very small measuring cup because that's all we're going to need. I've brought something that is currently doing the rounds for the last 13, 14 months. And I've brought a very small container of pure deionized water. And I'm going to show you exactly how to mix up the perfect summer spec windscreen wash. Now this is available to all of you. You should have this rinseless wash in your cabinet already. Of course you should. It's the purest cleaner on the market. There's a reason why no one can get any stock. It's gone viral. Little measuring cup. Find yourself something that can measure just enough product, just so you obviously don't over dilute it. If you do over dilute, you're just going to get even more cleaning power. And as I said in here, I've got deionized water. Now Nick, why are you using deionized water? Well, you can use normal water out the tap, no problem, the car's not going to implode. But for prolonged storage of chemical mixes, deionized water is best because you will not have all the magnesium, the calcium, and all the other things, depending on where you live, in the world, attacking it. Eventually you might start getting mold because the water is not really moving, it's not free flowing, right? So deionized water is going to keep it perfectly. So in this jug right here, I've got 3 liters. I'm going to show you for pure transparency purposes. Now, again, I've gone with 3 liters because even though this takes actually a little bit more water, I like to just keep topping it up, keep kind of the mixes going. So 3 liters for me is perfect. And I'm going to go with a 349 to 1 dilution ratio. So that's 350 total parts. Now, 350 total parts inside 3 liters of water works out to, you're going to be shocked at this. This is where, if you just buy this for screen wash alone, this is 57 years worth of supply. It's basically 8 milliliters. Now, if you don't know what 8 milliliters looks like, you're about to see. This, my beautiful little friends, is 8 milliliters. That's all you're going to need. So 8 milliliters, now you can either do it directly into the tank first or put it into here. Now this alone is strong enough to wash a car, let's put it that way, a well-maintained car. But for a windscreen washer fluid, it's going to be absolutely unbelievable. Now watch this. You open up wherever your windscreen washer fluid is. Mine is in what's called the frunk. So that's a beautiful premix, obviously. It's already done. And we go to town with 3 liters of pure water and a 349 to 1 mix of rinseless. Now, you might be all wondering, Nick, why are you filming this style of video? Now, there's 2 reasons for this. Reason number 1, like I promised you, this was now on last week's video. I'm going to open the complete book, right? And there's going to be supporting videos, behind the supporting videos of every single Easter egg that we have tried, tested, and obviously approved over the last 8 to 9 years of kind of various products being in existence. That is one. It's a promise that I'm not going to break. Now the second one, which I think is holding a bit more kind of dearer to my heart, is this has always been the biggest passion project for us here. Everybody, as the team has grown, This is why we hire so slow. When somebody special comes into your life like this, then we're like, okay, if this is the right fit, you're in. This is why I would say we probably have the best team in the UK. Everybody is, passionate about what they do, and they are literal, animals in terms of trying to get perfection, even whilst drinking coffee type of thing. So this has been the biggest passion project for us in that sense, to where I want to show you, look guys, this is a product that, you may already have. If you don't, please, you know what to do. It's a product that you should already have. And then I also feel like a lot of people get misled. And this could even be from car manufacturers, where you have to buy this product. You look at the ingredients list, the ones that are published anyway, and you look and there's just warning after warning. And I'm like, so if this does to your body what it says on the tin, then imagine what it's doing to the paint. And this is, again, this flips it back onto the whole ownership experience of a car. It doesn't matter what car you have. It really is irrelevant. I know some people with £500 cars that have got paint better than cars that are worth $500,000, right? Because to them, their car is their castle, right? And they look after it the best they can. So because of this, the ownership experience part of what I've just showed you, maybe somebody didn't know. If this video has helped one person to be like, you know what, I'm going to try that, please try it. All you need is a little measuring cup, some very nice Rinse-Less, and some deionized water. And you're going to have one of the best screen washers in the world by 30 seconds worth of video. So if this video helps one person, my job has been done, because this is what's all about. We're creating a community, one person at a time, and this is the biggest thing right here that will drive this for as long as it kind of can continue, if all the wins are in our sales type of thing. So I hope you have found this video very helpful. If you have already tried this, whether it's with the Rinse-Less or you've tried it with our glass cleaner, now if you remember that video, that was quite cool. Whichever way, let us know in the comments. If you haven't tried it, please try it. You'll be honestly hugely surprised. And apart from that, guys, I will see you all very soon on the next video. Passion project heading out, but not for very long. I'll see you guys soon.